Hey, random people out there on the internet. So, Birdhouse number 2 is complete, and I thought I'd go ahead and share it with you all and see what you think. I think it came out pretty nice. Let's take a look. I think that came out pretty good. Just FYI, show you a couple of things I used on it to get that finished the way it is. One, I used Minwax Helmsman Spar urethane, and then just to pretty it up a little bit, I used some beeswax from Howard. So anyway, there it is. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video while I try to figure out what I'm going to be doing next. Y'all, as always, be safe.